Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to read a new storybook of What a Bad Dog by Oxford Reading Tree series created by Ray Hunt and Alex Pachetta and co-reader of Beaconhouse schooling system. Let kids start to read together. Okay. Floppy went on the concrete. Floppy went in the mud. Oh, so tacky. Floppy pulled in the washing down. Floppy pushed the Lego over. What a bad dog, said Mum. Floppy barked and barked. Dad couldn't sleep. Dad was cross. What a bad dog, said Dad. What a good dog. The end. Hope you enjoy this shorter story to reading with me. For more stories, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.